Zoe, Rumi, you're not supposed to run from real fights. No, wait, that's Sailor Moon. But still, you're Huntrix. Still, there's no shame in a little hide and seek. Especially when you're hiding from demons. And look, there's a way out on the other side. But I wonder where it leads to. Wherever this is, the decorators seem to be fans. Of course, who isn't? Oh, right, these guys. So why don't you do that voodoo you do so well? And send that Saja boy back to Guima. Your turn, Rumi. Besides, a little stretching always pays off. Really takes care of all those aches and pains. And it's just so much fun, too. Especially with a little elbow grease. For our next trick, we're gonna need some kinetic sand. Place it in a mold so we can keep it all in a circle. Pat it down nice and smooth. And cut out a smaller circle. 'Cause now you'll get a ring. Which you can fill with more sand. Keep it coming. We'll tell you when. When? Smooth it out. Make sure to leave room on the top. So we can cover it up with some more pink. Flatten it into place. It's like a mini cake. Which makes it the perfect topper for an even bigger cake. Happy birthday, Rumi! Why don't you make a wish?
Yay!
Spiders and worms? I don't think she wished for that.
Oops.
Still, we can't let a good cake go to waste. Don't worry, Rumi. Here's someone who could help. Who knew a big mouth could come in handy? What a good gator. Ooh, Zoe's got the tea. But do we have some tea for her? Poor Zoe, she's breaking out all over. Guess even pop stars get pimples sometimes. I know you're tough, but I wouldn't pop them. Here, this will help you avoid temptation. But we're sure you won't stop trying. Here, we'll help you kick the habit another way. We just need a tiny Zoe face and fill it up with zits. But maybe throw in a few surprises too. Just don't forget the main event, some pimples for popping. Ah, Rumi, you truly are the Wizard of Ooze. Ooh, looks like Zoe wants a turn. Okay, try and see if you can find that Labubu. It's time for Zoe to put the pop in Pop Idol. And it's a great stress reliever, too. Of course, Rumi has her demons, too. Like nail biting, skin peeling. But you'd think she'd be able to handle her inner demon by now. Zoe's here to help. Start by drawing something cute on a plate. And you don't get any cuter than Derpy. Especially with a big pink tongue hanging out. Next, cover it up with some sticky glue. Especially glitter glue. Yes, the glitter's important. Now make sure to spread it around the plate.
Yay!
Okay, Rumi, why not give it a pinch to grow an inch? And see just how far you can make it stretch. Of course, a true artist makes art spring to life. The Saja boys might not be the nicest company, but they can still be fun to have around. Wait, Durple's not a demon. He's just got horns. Aw, I'll remember how animated he was. But he'll live on as precious, precious slime. And he's the perfect shade for Rumi's hair. It looks nice, but something tells me Rumi's got her sights elsewhere. Yeah, it's hard to compete with Ginu. But this gives me an idea for her eyes. Either that or corn on the cob. Just kidding. We're saving that for Zoe. Rumi is sure going to be red in the face. Don't worry. Told you we had a backup. And look, this corn already comes with oil. But you gotta provide your own butter. Try some popcorn. Always more where that came from. It looks like leaves, so I think it counts as a vegetable. But even gummies can hurt your teeth. Lucky for Zoe, Rumi's got a secret. She's also a dentist, among other things. Good news, it's not cavities. You've just got some candy stuck in there. Can't let good candy go to waste. Looks like you're due for a tongue scraping too. Now you might feel a little tingle. Seriously, this syrup is really sweet. While we're here, let's ditch that sore tooth. If you think that hurts, wait till you get the bill. Mini Rumi's sure got some moves, but let's take a peek at what makes her tick. Ooh, someone's got water beads on the brain. Guess she's Big Rumi's biggest and smallest fan. Some nanotape will help you share your thoughts with the world. And Zoe can help. We need a can for our fan. Use it to make a container and fill it with all those water beads. Seal it up nice and tight, and save that tab for the top. Now give your new can a tight squeeze. Careful though, we don't want to smudge that face. Hey girls, still need something to do?
Yay!
We got a cool new fidget board for you. You can comb Mira's hair. Where is she anyway? Oh, she was hiding behind her bangs the whole time. And there's always room for accessories. Why don't you play with Derpy next? He's always a good time. The one time it's okay to stick your tongue out. You can knock this down. Just put it back up. Of course, nothing's more fun than ramyun. Besides, there's always room when it comes in fun size. Just add veggies and spicy seasoning. Of course, hot water really gets things cooking. Sure, this might be Rumi's favorite flavor. But aren't friends supposed to share everything? So why not play with what Zoe likes the most? Or something you all like, fresh Kpop. Start by opening up our wooden roller. Now lay down dried seaweed, rice, and your favorite fillings. Next, it's time to let the good times roll. And things don't get better than Kpop.
Wow.
This stuff is good to the last gulp.
Wow.
There's no use crying over spilled blue stuff,
What?
but I'd understand crying over a ruined manicure. We can fix this. Red-handed's more traditional. And we can use it to make some fun handprints.
What?
Turn it over and you can make something new. Like a pair of two best friends who are probably waiting for their third friend. Don't forget to add some other colors. Or wait for monochrome to go back in style. Ah, friends don't need an excuse to give each other gifts. Ah, what a fun, relaxing day at Sprunky Park. At least until the robots attack. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Well, I hope everyone had fun, because the park's gonna be closed for a long while, or forever, whichever comes first.
Ooh.
Well, we'll just need to find a new place to play. This seems nice, you know, for a fixer-upper.
Ta-da! Ooh.
Let's start with something sweet. An ice cream parlor with a hot dog and pizza on the side. Variety is the spice of life, after all. Ooh, a rooftop patio. And a slide. Never knew that construction could be so quick. It takes a year to fix a road, but we've got a roller coaster.
Wow.
I guess Sprunkyland is truly a magical place. There's a pool. Your very own DJ station. And, it's worth repeating, there's even a roller coaster. Now this is the only way to travel. Plus, you can get a snack and take a quick shower. You can practically live here, and these guys just might do that. It's Huntrix and the Saja Boys in box form. Perhaps they'll join forces to fight this new threat. Good idea. He's better off as used parts. It's the perfect building material for a new stage. Just the thing for a show or a battle of the bands. Come on, Saja Boys. You guys are going first. The judges' scores are... That's out of 5, right? Oh. Yeah, don't make us get out that shepherd's crook. Okay, Huntrix, it's your turn. Get on stage. Talk about saving the best for next. But let's wait to see what the judges think. Ah, I can see they have good taste. Uh-oh, looks like somebody's out to beat Flash's record. And you know I'm talking about the sloth. Don't worry, we have an idea what to do. Wow, talk about having a head for these things. Starting things off, we're gonna need some serious wheels. Not to mention a steering wheel and other things. And let everyone know this is official police business. But we'll need 2 horses in this race. And by horses, I mean cars, just so we're clear. You just know that this car comes with speed. It even says so on the top. Okay guys, it's time to suit up. Now it's time for you to catch that cat burglar. If nothing else, she's getting a speeding ticket. Or at least a really serious talking to. It's Derpy! And it looks like it's lunchtime.
Ooh.
Why don't we check the cupboard? It's Mother Hubbard all over again.
Oh.
Well, I guess it's time for us to get building. Any guesses as to what she's making? Aw, Sussy wants to help, but this is taking too long. Ah, magic wands. Never leave home without it. Wait, it's a giant hot dog, complete with ketchup. Of course, I wouldn't say no to pickles. And hot dogs are always great with mustard. Okay, it already looks good enough to eat. But we made this for Derpy with love. Uh-oh, it's the block police. And there's a message for us.
Huh?
Oh no! Nick, Gary, and Judy are all missing. Zoom in. Grab the magnifying glass. We're on the case. Well, for the time being, we can just make our own Judy. And she's gonna need her foxy friend by her side. Ooh, there's already a little snake on your shoulder. Not sure how that happened, but happy to have you. Get your money ready, folks. We've got a new crane machine. Wow, we're getting a bunch of new block friends. Ooh, I'm hoping we get that Sonic. Great success. Wow, we've got enough minifigs for a party. But you can't have a party without things to drink. And we're talking soda.
No, 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 no.
Hold on, we got you covered. We just need to whip up a soda machine. Good thing there's plenty of blocks to go around. We just need to make sure the cans can slide on out. Let everyone know what flavors are available. And a few decorations are great for advertising.
Wow.
Why don't we test it out? Wow, it's already stocked. Here, have a free sample. The rest is $1 each. Everyone get your money ready. Exact change is appreciated. All right, sodas. Sodas for everyone. Let's party. That was some party. Look at all this leftover candy. Ooh, this marshmallow's got a candy filling. Why don't we grab all of these gummies and add add some heat to melt it all into place. Ooh, it's getting nice and bubbly. Let it cool and grab out your new Candyman. Ooh, talk about room to grow. He can